Hello my lovelies. First of all, let me say, oh by the way, it came like this already. I have received another Alexandra Renke subscription box, and I'd like to do a quick, relatively quick unboxing. I apologize for being late. I have a very good reason for that, being that I was in hospital and I have had a very severe surgery on my spine, and now I cannot sit down for long periods, even less than before. I've been suffering from extreme pain for years, and finally I've had my surgery. Hopefully it will be better soon, but until then I have to be brief. And I'm so curious to unpack my box that I would like to do it quickly with you. So first of all, we have another rubber stamp with the month of April. This is German, but it's the same in English, of course. And the Alexandra Renke signature wrapping paper on top. Then I see a bead, that's and an envelope, that's a vellum envelope, and the bead looks like this. Hopefully the camera will focus. A little rose, and it's a button. No, it's a bead, and it's a bead, so you can string it onto something. Lovely. So the envelope is a long one, die lang in German size or European size. Then we have a stamp set for Easter, and it's called, well, it's a photopolymer clear stamp set called Frohe Ostern, Happy Easter. And I'll just let you see all the little stamps that are on there. If I'm going too fast, please stop the video so you can take a look at it in detail. So love the cute little bunnies, and of course it's in German, so I'm sure they have an English version somewhere. I had bought an Easter stamp from them before last year, but I don't have it ready at hand. Then we have a rubber string in orange, which suits me fine because orange is a favorite of mine. I love orange, anything orange. And some Easter bunny sequins in what looks like a greenish base color. Some of them look peachy. Hopefully you can see this. And then red paper, red and orange paper. They are a little bit thicker, but they're not cardstock. I would say 120 grams worth of very sleek paper. It's not shiny as such, but it's very sleek. sleek is the only thing that comes to mind. So the camera's not focusing. And there we have the paper. I will remove the box and be right back. So while removing the paper, I found another one of those beads, rose beads, and the paper is as follows: love in Alexandra Renke gold, signature gold, and blue, dark blue. Paper number is 101707. Then we have some scribbles that could be interpreted as Easter eggs. The paper number is 101709. Then we have some rainbows. Yay! Rainbows in gold and dark blue. Paper number is 101708. Yay! In dark blue with one gold. Yay! Paper number is 101705. Hi! In gold, dark blue and grey. Paper number is 101706. Did that focus on there? Then we have butterflies, some outlines, and then what looks like watercolor colored butterflies. With kind of a lotus flower. Paper number is 101728. Then some bell flowers. I can't think of the name right now, but I'm not going to spend any time looking up anything right now. Like bluebells, but not blue. And it says, wenn die Glocken läuten, dann sind die Feen auf dem Rückflug. When the bells chime, the fairies are on their way back. And the paper number is 101717. Some more bells. Glockenblumen schützen die kleinen Feen vor Regen. Bellflowers protect the little fairies from rain, it says. So I love the watercolor effect, or watercolor coloring, I would say. Some more water, they look like lotus flowers as well, don't they? And the paper number is 1017 16. And some bunnies. Oh, look at them hopping along. As I say, if you'd like to take a longer look, please stop the video. And the paper number is 101754. Definitely having trouble focusing. And these are all Easter wishes in German with a half a bunny. So let me show you a little more detail. In case you wish to read what's on there. And the paper number is 101750. And another bunny with more Easter wishes. I wish you sugar sweet Easter, something like that. I'm not going to take the time now to read this. I hope you understand, and I'm sure that if you are interested in one particular paper, you can see it on Alexandra Renke's website as well. And the paper number here is 101752. I have to get up in between to relieve my spine a little bit. One more of these Easter papers. So it's the same words as far as I can tell. But arranged differently to surround the bunny, as you can see. The paper number here is 101751. And a geometric pattern, that's very nice, in a darker gold. The paper number here is 101689. And some rays, not sun rays, but a ray kind of pattern, as you can see. It's paper number 101685. And here we have a paper that we had last year already, some lambs and Easter eggs and some bunnies. Spring! Enjoy the springtime. Happy Easter. And a donkey for you, für dich. And one of those lovely butterflies. Paper number is 101197. And here we are at the beginning. I will sort the papers, take a picture, and then I hope you enjoyed watching my little introduction to the March subscription box of Alexandra Renke, and I hope if you did like it that you will click like and also consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you next time, hopefully with a little project. And until then, do what you love and take care of yourself. Bye for now. Bye. Ta-da.